In this video, I'm going to explain inequalities and solving inequalities in one variable. Here the inequality signs there are, and greater or equal to, less or equal to, or inequality this signs means. And I'm going to explain what is the relation between the equation and inequality, and I'm going to compare them, and we are going to try to understand what is inequality better. And if you remember here, 2x minus 4, when we say it's equal to 8, when we use the equal sign, it means that this is equation. And when you use the sign, equality sign, it means that it is equation. If you use one of the signs for this kind of operations, if you use one of the signs like this, if you say 2x minus 4 is greater than 8, or if you say 2x minus 4 is greater or equal to 8, or if you say 2x minus 4 is less than 8, or if you say 2x minus 4 is less or equal to 8, and the last one, 2x minus 4 is not equal to 8, you are writing inequality. So when you use these notations in your algebraic expression, the expression becomes inequality. Okay, now we are going to try to understand the graphing inequality, and of course again I'm going to compare with the equation. So 2x minus 4, when we say it's equal to 8, 2x will be equal to 8 plus 4. You know how to solve equations. And 2x is equal to 12, and x is equal to 12 over 2 it's going to be, which is x is equal to 6. When x is equal to 6, if you want to show the term on the real number line, you are using only this dot. It's going to be circled point, and we are going to show the point on the real number line, and we are going to say that this is the point, x is equal to 6, only one point. But when you say x is greater than 3, it means that all numbers greater than 3. It means that all number greater than 3. Or if you say when x is greater or equal to 2, all numbers greater than and equal to 2, all numbers less than minus 1, all numbers less than or equal to 5, or all numbers except 3. Here what we are going to do, how to notate, like we are doing in equation, how to notate x is greater than 3. Firstly, we are finding the point 3 in the number line, and here there is this is the point 3. If the sign is greater and less, we are going to use open circle for the point. So this point, it's going to be open circle firstly. Then it says that numbers greater than 3. And which numbers are greater than 3? 4, 5, 6, 3. Also, here we are not writing, but 3.5, 4.5, 3.6. These numbers also are greater than 3. That's why all numbers are greater than 3. It's going to be like this. And here, the second one is greater or equal to. Greater or equal to 2, when you say, we are going to first find the 2 on the real number line, but this time we are going to use closed point for that one. Here, greater and less than means open point, greater or equal to and less or equal to, it's going to be closed point. So this is going to be, first I'm going to find the 2, I'm going to close the point, and all numbers greater than 2 and equal to 2. So 2 is going to be included. Here 3 is not included. 3 is inclusive, and this line is representing x is greater or equal to 2. Okay, what about all numbers less than minus 1? Firstly, I'm going to find the -1, place of -1. And I'm going to, as I explained before, I'm going to make open circle. Why open circle? Because it is less than sign. For greater than sign and less than sign, we are going to make open circle. Then, all numbers less than -1. Which side is less than minus sign? -1, this side. So, we are going to turn to this side. And this side becomes x is less than -1 side. Okay, the next one, all numbers. Now I'm going to solve all numbers less than or equal to 5. Firstly, less than or equal to 5 means we are going to use closed circle here. Then, which side is less than 5? This side is less than 5. So our line is going to be like this. Then we are going to shade this side. So this is going to be our solution set. Okay, then I'm going to do for the last one, all numbers except 3. All numbers except 3 means, here I'm going to change the color. All the numbers except 3 means only the 3 is empty. Here the point 3 is empty, it's going to be, and the others, they are going to be closed. So here we are going to do like this. All numbers are here, it's going to be included except the point 3. So this line, the blue line, shows all numbers except 3. Only the 3.3 is not included.